spin the clock. What's it gonna be? It's story time, boys and girls, which means we're gonna see one of our Starland crew members. Now, what I need everyone to do, that's it, everyone take a seat on the dance floor and you'll sit down. You might want to shuffle back a little bit as well at the front, just so you're not getting a crooked neck, alright, because the stage is a little bit high, especially when you sat down. Now, boys and girls, our very special crew member is going to come out and tell us a story. But what you need to make sure you do is stay sat down for me, unless the crew member says,
deal with it when I
jump up on
can.
your feet and join in with them, alright? Now then, you need to stay sat down, because if you come right to the front and put your fingers on the end of the stage, these lights are very, very bright. And our lovely crew member might not see your little fingers. They might stand on them, and we don't want that, do we? No, we don't want any trips to A&E today with any stacked fingers.
Sweetness, what did Jamie Lee order me?
And we'll have a great time.
What did she order?
Can anyone guess who might be coming out to see us today? Who do you think? Well,
yeah, okay, well, whatever.
This person has shorts on.
What did you order?
That doesn't really help, most of them wear shorts.
Okay, alright.
This person has it's not usual. Oh, you don't have shorts on today.
I do.
No, you don't.
What do you mean?
You got a dress on, ain't you?
Yeah. Sometimes I like to wear shorts, okay?
Sometimes, but this lovely crew member wears shorts all the time. This person has a hat that they like to wear backwards. This person has headphones around his neck. It is the one and only the Sid The Seagull is going to be coming to tell us a super cool story, alright? So what I need you to do, boys, you're going to stay down there, remember? And if Sid asks you to come and join in, make sure you stand up on your feet. I'm going to be down on the dance floor with you as well, alright? Now just make sure that Sid is all ready to go, that he's got his oh, you're all ready, Sid? You've had your worm sandwich. You've had it amazing. You brushed your feathers. Yeah, amazing there. Right then, boys and girls, what I need you all to do is shout for Sid as loud as you possibly can.
Manny, you
all
getting
ready?
excited?
Here we go.
You're getting excited for Sid?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You're getting excited for Sid?
Oh, Sid! Oh, you Sid! You take it away, dude.
Hey! Oh, hiya, kids! Hey, hands up if you would like to hear a story. Oh, brilliant! Hey, who likes dancing? Oh, yeah! Hey, why do animals with 4 legs make terrible dancers? It's because they've got 2 left feet. Oh. I've got another one as well. This is brilliant. What do you call someone who dances on a car? A rubbish dancer. Oh, brilliant. Oh, brilliant. Well, this story is about the time I started a hip-hop dance class in Startown. I wanted to teach everyone some of my great new moves because there was a dance competition coming up. And they were asking for groups made up of girls and boys to enter the competition. I advertised my class and waited. And guess what? 10 people turned up, which wasn't bad for a first time. The only problem was they were all girls. Now, don't get me wrong, they were all brilliant, but I still needed a few boys to be in the group to be able to enter the competition. So anyway, I showed the girls some of my great hip-hop moves. You know, like the seagull shuffle. Hey. Oh yeah, and everyone agreed that if we could find some lads, we would have a good chance of winning. After the lesson, I set off to find some guys. I passed the football pitch where the Startown under-10s football team were training. I thought, maybe these guys might come along and join in with my dance class. So I asked them. They were all very happy to help, but said there were 2 reasons why they didn't think they could. The first reason was that my class was on at the same time as football training. Well, that's easily solved, I said. I'll just change the time to earlier. But the second reason was that they couldn't dance. Oh, this was a problem. Oh well, I said, never mind. Come along to my class anyway and have a go. Sure enough, the next week I made my class a bit earlier and all the boys turned up as they said they would. The idea being that they'd go on to football practice later. Brilliant, I thought. I started my class and showed them a few of my new moves like the Robin Rumble, and the Dunkin' Doodle. Quack, 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 quack. They tried hard, but they were right. They couldn't dance at all. And they were going all over the place, crashing into the girls. And one lad even knocked over a vase on the windowsill. Oh dear. They did their best, but it was no good. The class ended, and the lads went off to play football. Oh, I'm never going to get this group together to enter the competition, I thought. So I decided to go and give the lads some support in their football training instead. A few of the girls came along too. Hey, hands up if you've ever been to football training. Oh, yeah. Well, it was brilliant. They had to run through tyres like this. Hey. They had to run and twist. Kick the ball, dodge the ball, and all sorts. It was then I had a brilliant idea. Why don't we convert the football training into dance moves? Hey! What a great idea, said the girls. And the football captain agreed. And with that, we practiced the next week and went along to the competition. Hey, would you guys like to see our routine? You would? Brilliant! Well, I tell you what, everybody stand up and follow me, and we'll all do it together. Okay, now drop the beat. Everybody here, are you ready for some fun? Because we're hipping and hopping, not dancing like your mum. Are you ready for some more? Well, hit that floor and follow my booty moves and you'll be number one. Now dodge the ball. Yeah, that carnival. Run through the tyres. Hey, hey. Yes, you're on fire. Take past the ball and dodge the cones. You're looking good. With the dancing bones. Brilliant, everybody. That was brilliant. Sit yourselves down again then. That's right, sit down. So, can anybody guess where we came in the dance competition? Drum roll, please. Get ready to cheer. We came fourth. Hooray! And we did get a brilliant trophy for the most original moves. And not only that, my regular hip-hop dance class has lots of girls and boys joining in together. And it gets better. The girls were so impressed with the football training, they set up their own football team. How cool is that? Well, that's the end of the story, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. I've got to go now. I'll see you soon. Take care, everyone. And remember, keep hipping and hopping. Yo, yo, yo.
Oh, boys and girls, everyone say bye, Sid. Bye, Sid. We'll see you a little bit later on, alright, dude? You go have a lovely little sit down right now. Right then.